This EFT session is going to be all about forgiveness. Forgiveness is one of the hardest things we have to do when it comes to our manifestations, when it comes to creating a good, healthy, secure self-concept, but it is not something to be skipped. It is so powerful. Forgiveness is not about condoning what anybody did to us or what we may have done in the past. It is about wiping the slate clean, deciding we are taking our power back, we're not giving our power away to this situation anymore, and we are letting it go, and we are replacing that void of disgust, shame, fear, whatever might be there. We're replacing that with love. We're replacing it with self-love, and that's what we're going to do from today. Please come back to this EFT whenever you feel fearful, whenever you feel sad about a situation, or as long as you need to whilst you're forgiving that person, that situation, or even yourself. I am sending you so much love right now because I know this is not an easy task to do, but I promise you, I'm guiding you every step of the way and it will be worth it. Starting with the karate points. Even though this situation still makes me feel really sad, I am choosing to love and accept myself. Even though I still hold a lot of resentment for this situation, whether that's to me, a circumstance, or someone else, I am choosing to love and accept myself. Even though I find it so hard to let go of this situation or this circumstance, I am choosing to love and accept myself. I am still holding on to so much pain. And it feels so deep within me. It feels so visceral. It feels like I can't let it go. This person, this place, this circumstance hurt me so much. And it doesn't even feel like I can let it go. I have held on to it for so long, I don't even know how to. But the one thing I do know is that I don't deserve to be carrying this around. And I know that I did not deserve for what happened to happen to me. I don't deserve to be feeling this way. I don't deserve all this pain. I don't deserve to be suffering over a situation that isn't present anymore. I don't deserve to be suffering over a memory that I can't control. But what I can control, or what I am learning to control, is my attitude towards the situation. Because I know that holding on to it is actually blocking my blessings from coming in. Even though it's just my mind trying to protect me by holding on. It's trying to keep me safe. It's trying to protect me from anything like this happening in the future. All it's really doing is kind of ruining my present moments. And it's blocking my blessings and my happiness. And so I am willing to start to let it go. And I can take this a day at a time. It might not feel safe for me to let it all go straight away. But I am choosing to let a little bit more go every single day. Because I do deserve happiness. So I'm willing to see things differently. I am willing to see that when people know better, they do better. Whether that's towards me or anybody else. I'm willing to see that how people treat me is more of a reflection of them than it is to me. And I have never deserved anyone's shitty behaviour, and I never will deserve it. I am willing to see a life where this doesn't hang over me anymore. I am willing to step into the life where this doesn't hang over me anymore. I am willing to learn to forgive this situation. I am willing to see the lessons that I have learned in this situation. And maybe in time, I might even find some gratitude for this situation. It might not come straight away. But one day, some gratitude might be there. Maybe for the lessons it gave me. Maybe for what needed to be revealed to me at the time. Maybe for how strong I am deciding that it's going to make me. Because I am deciding today to let it go. I am deciding today to be stronger than my fears. I am deciding today to drop that story. And I'm deciding today to step into the new story. I am deciding to step into the story where I wake up feeling lighter. I am deciding to step into the story where my heart doesn't feel so heavy. And by me clearing this space, by me clearing this circumstance, by me clearing this resentment, this shame, this guilt, I am making space for all the love and happiness that I know I deserve in my life. I am committed to clearing this space. I am committed to realising that I deserve the fucking world. I'm committed to the life that I want. I'm committed to the next version of me. And every single day I'm going to commit to this more and more. And more good things are going to happen to me in return. And I'm going to know that it's safe for me to receive all of the wonderful things that are on their way to me. And I know the universe can't wait to send me them. I know it's safe for me to have what I want. I know it's safe for me to trust the universe. I know it's safe for me to open my heart back up. I know it's safe for me to receive my blessings. I know it's safe for me to have everything that I want and more. And I know that's exactly what's on its way for me. I know that the life I want is already mine. And I know the inner peace that I've been craving, the inner peace that I deserve, is one step closer every single day. In body, mind, and spirit. Drop your arms, take a deep breath in, And out. I know that might have felt a little bit heavy, a little bit uncomfortable. Maybe there were some tears. I'm guessing there was a lot released. Be really kind to yourself for the rest of the day. Maybe you need to journal on it, maybe you need to process it, maybe you need to take a walk or go sit with a friend, have a nice cup of tea and a biscuit, but do whatever you can today to nurture yourself, to make yourself feel loved, adored, and trust and know that even though this feels uncomfortable, it is a step in the right direction. It is a step into the life that you want, and it is a step towards your inner peace, which you deserve. I am sending you so much love. I am sending you a virtual hug down the camera. Mwah. Love you. See you next time.